this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and hopefully my camera works right. So yesterday, it just got jacked up. I don't know what the deal is, but right now it's plugged into a power bank, so hopefully it'll work out throughout the entire video. Anyways, I got something from an Umai crate. Go to japancrate.com, check out the Umai crates, and if you get one, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is a Shio ramen from Japan by Kenko Foods. This is their nature ramen, and as you can see, it's got this little dude in the corner. The guy's name is Michio Kawamura, and he's a radio guy who talks about food and junk, so pretty cool. So we are going to cook this up. Huh? Yeah? Children are acting up today. In their way.
I'm Miles.
You are Miles. All day and day. And that's great. I appreciate that. You are you, dude. So, as we're doing now, this is our new thing. Let us have our quick meeting where we enjoy a quote from Momofuku Ando, the man who invented the instant noodle, from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. Good luck getting yourself a copy. I lucked out after 10 years getting one myself. Let's see, I think we're on number 6? No, we're on number 7. Wait. Yeah. Number 7. A politician who never loses an election puts the world to rights only in his head. He never understands the real pain that people are feeling. Oh, so because people actually lose. Okay. I can get with that. If you win all the time, you don't learn anything. And okay. I enjoy this time we spend together. It is fun and enjoyable. But yeah, let's see. Went out, did some walking, didn't get all this work done, didn't get all that work done, so I am like knee deep in work. Yeah. So I'm hoping to crank these out as fast as I freaking can. And well, I want them to be nice, but I just want to make them, get them done. Go, 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 bam, 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 wow, 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 wow. Went out walking. Did I see anything weird? Somebody had like a binder, like a 3-ring binder, and they like got rid of a bunch of pages that were in it, or they like flew away somehow for some writing competition that's going to go on, I guess, in November. Found that on the trail. And something that looked like it might have been one of those masks. A lot of mask garbage. Disposable masks. People have taken disposable to heart. I see masks all over the place on the ground. It's really weird. It's like, wow, we must live next to a hospital or something. How strange. But it's really fascinating how quickly something that like a lot of people around would like comment on as being strange has now become the very commonplace thing. You know, you wouldn't think you'd go in like a grocery store and see all these people wearing surgical masks. Why would you see that? Oh, there's a global pandemic? That's weird. That sure is strange. I don't know. It's, as I would say, it's a trip. Come on, let go. It's not a wet sachet, it's a powder one, but I didn't cut it just right, so it's trying to come on. Oh, I guess it didn't. Okay, now we're gonna stir. There we go. Stirring it and stirring it. So today it is Shio, also known as salt ramen, ladies and gentlemen. But it's salty, yeah. But I mean, it's not just like a sachet of salt. There's more that goes on to it. So Kenko Foods, Michio Kawamura flavor thing. Let's give it a try. Cheers. That's pretty chewy. Broth. Not bad. And you can see that. You can see that there. So let's make this happen, ladies and gentlemen. There's our Shio. Chashu. Here's the egg I made last night. It looks better on one side than the other. I'm going to use the darker side. I'm going to the dark side. Now this is one that's been all night. So I don't know how it's going to look. Wow. That's actually kind of pretty. Look at that. So overnight, it definitely gets nice looking. There's our eggs. Wow. Eggs, chashu, mung bean sprout, a little spring onion, and honestly, I really wanted to have some narutomaki with this, but I am out. So I got the other one thawing. I'm curious how these taste. I think the ones that I did today will be better because I actually went and got some mirin. I'm gonna use this fancy shichimi. And some seeds. And let's I want to redo that for a little bit. What's going on here? Looks good to me. I'm leaving it at that, ladies and gentlemen. Rotato! Alright, cool. Thanks to the folks over at Umai Crate for sending this one over. The next two from them too, so yeah. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.